In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a successful dropshipping business using Alibaba and Shopify. First things first, let's open your Google Chrome browser. If you're all set on the internet, head over to alibaba.com. This is where most of the magic will happen, as Alibaba offers a vast array of products, making it an ideal platform for dropshippers who are ready to dive into the e-commerce world. Once you're on Alibaba, use the search bar to look for products that would be suitable for dropshipping. Keep in mind what your target market is interested in and do a bit of research to identify current trends. Look for products that not only have high demand, but also offer a good profit margin. As you scroll through the options, don't forget to consider shipping times and costs, as these will directly affect your customer's experience. After you've found some products that interest you, the next step is to reach out to the suppliers. It's crucial to contact them directly on Alibaba to discuss their dropshipping options and clarify shipping terms. Effective communication with suppliers can help you negotiate better prices and ensure they can handle single item shipping efficiently. Be clear about your needs and confirm how they manage returns and customer service inquiries. Building a good relationship with your suppliers is key to a smooth dropshipping operation. Now that you have a better understanding of the products and their logistics, it's time to create your own Shopify store if you haven't done so already. Shopify is a user-friendly platform that's perfect for setting up your e-commerce business without needing extensive technical skills. Once your store is up and running, you can make the most of it by installing Shopify apps like Oberlo or DSRs. These apps allow you to easily import products from Alibaba, streamlining the process of adding items to your store. Alternatively, you can manually add products, ensuring all supplier details are correct and present. With your products imported onto your Shopify store, it's time to set your prices. Consider the cost from your supplier, shipping expenses, and the profit margin you aim for. Ensure your prices are competitive while still allowing room for profitability. Once you're satisfied with the pricing, publish the products in your store for your customers to see. The final piece of the puzzle is managing orders efficiently. When a customer places an order on your Shopify store, you'll need to forward the order details directly to the Alibaba supplier. This step is vital for fulfillment, as it ensures the supplier can ship the product directly to your customer. Keeping the communication line open with your supplier will help verify the orders are processed on time and to your customer's satisfaction. And there you have it, a fundamental overview to get your dropshipping business started with Alibaba and Shopify. Remember, success in dropshipping requires research, strategic planning, and consistency. Good luck and happy